Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Muhammad Abrar. In today's video, I'm excited to guide you through the steps on how to remove or change a picture's background color using a Microsoft Word. So this quick tutorial will help you enhance your documents with clean and professional images. Let's start it. So I have just inserted a picture that's a casual picture, but I want to make it a formal. So in first, I'll just double click on the picture so the picture format will be open. So there is an option that's on the top left, that is a remove background. I'll just click on that. Now you can see the pink highlighted area, that's by default. So I can alter, I can customize the areas that I want to keep in my pictures and the areas that I can remove. So first I'll click on the mark area to keep option to select all those areas that I want to keep in my picture. Okay, so even the head is also not visible. But now you can see there are some certain areas in the background that are visible which I don't want. So I'll click on the mark to remove option. So I'll click the areas that I want to remove now. Done. So my selection is done now. I have already highlighted the areas that I want to remove. So I'll click on keep changes. You can see the background is already removed. So it's a background, white background by default. I can change it to any other background color as well. Just click here. That is a format picture. So just click on that arrow. The options will be open. Here, go to the paint. Select the option solid fill. So you can see the background has been changed to black. Even you can select a different colors. Just go to the color scheme and select the color that is required for you. I can select the green color. I can select blue color. So whatever the color is required as per your requirement, so you can choose that. That's all for this video. That was a very quick video. So thank you for watching this, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell on so you never missed an update. See you in the next video.